Hi! Welcome to another video. First off, thank you for tuning in. Today I want to reboot my Manga Art tutorial series. This originated back in May 2012. The series first off was created in German language, which is to be expected as all my videos back then were, but also it is kind of all over the place. No lie, there was a lot wrong with those videos that I made back then. I didn't know any better and I wanted to share something unique with my viewers, but looking back at it, I was using my laptop inbuilt camera and I tilted the screen of it to reach the table and what I was drawing. My hands were already covering a huge margin of the work, and then I flipped the video to kind of make it look better, and I guess I was somewhat okay with it, but even the light was horrible. I'm not proud of my work there at all. Nowadays I should be able to deliver a way better experience to you. With that said, let us get started. Just like back then though, I want to start with a basic part of what we will be going to do before we actually begin. So this time around, let's do it better, shall we? What do we need to draw? I will try to keep things simple as we for now will only work with a pencil, and for this first few videos adding ink pens as we go and hopefully do some coloring as well if you are interested in that. For pencils, I am actually still using my mechanical pencil from plus 10 years back. It just feels so much more convenient to me. A mechanical pen keeps its size and shape. Unlike a real pencil which you have to continue to sharpen it will get shorter, changing your grip on it, and the mine can break, making the pencil become useless. Though you should really choose what works for you here. We will also be using a few pens to line out our work or to do some practice with them instead of a pencil. Reason being, if you directly use those for your sketches, you will be more careful drawing as you cannot erase mistakes. We obviously need paper as well. I do recommend something cheaper for our early sketches, like printing paper. We can go to thick drawing paper later when we try to do some coloring. Talking about coloring, I want to use ink later on as well and give information on how I progress there. I'm using a few brushes here with tempera ink. If you happen to have something else already, it's probably fine. It's probably even better than what I have. This means we will basically start to do some work in the next tutorial video. I just wanted to make sure that we can go step by step and not having those videos being too long. Keeping it shorter, I am confident to maintain a weekly upload for the series. But however, since this video is kind of short, I will probably put in a quick drawing here to show you the items that I am currently using with the setup I'm currently using. So this is something I will try to create with you, meaning I am drawing my own character, one that I developed a while back here. And this is something I want to go through the tutorial as well, not only drawing but also trying to invent your own personal or original character, so to speak. So if you're interested in that and maybe adding something on the writing side as well, because I would really like to go in an in-depth guide on how I would progress this, but obviously this is very opinion based, so things I do or things I like to do here may not work for you, but regardless, I would still love to give it a try, and I hope you are going to join me on this ride. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to leave a like, as that will help me to grow my channel. Also, please consider to leave a sub to not miss my upcoming videos. It is also a great free way to support me. I highly appreciate it. And last but definitely not least, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, please don't forget to have a look at my social media if you're interested in it, because scoring those would also be very awesome to me. Thank you for watching. SionArtwork signing out. Have a good day, everyone.